beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. You have Kudziology here, and in today's video we'll be talking about how I achieved this beautiful makeup look using the Il Makiage foundation and concealer. I did a review on this foundation a while back ago, but I decided to kind of do an update because I felt like it matched my summer shade. Hey guys, so up next I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Master Primer, and I really enjoy this product because it blurs out my imperfections, it reduces the appearance of my pores, and the formula is very lightweight and very easily to maneuver onto the face. Going in with this Il Makiage foundation, I'm just going to spread this all over my face. I'm using my fingers to kind of work as an applicator at first, and then you'll see that I go back in shortly with my makeup brush to just blend that all out. So a hack that I actually enjoy doing, even though people are talking about like it's been on TikTok, but I've been doing this for years. I like to take my setting spray and damp it on my brush and then go into my face and start buffing it in. I feel like it makes the foundation get that overall set look before you kind of apply any kind of concealer, any kind of blush, bronzer. It just really enhances your makeup overall finish. Alright guys, so I'm going back in and just buffing all of this foundation out on my face. You guys will see in a few minutes that I have some discoloration going on at the highest points of my forehead and cheekbones. I did speak to a dermatologist and found out that I was having some issues with skin irritation with growing of fungi, which I am getting sorted and got some medicine and everything to help cure this issue. So don't worry, your sis is under control. I'm just going to go back and apply some more foundation to my face just to cover up this imperfection a little bit more, and just blending it out with my foundation brush. Alright, up next is the brows. Guys, I am giving a full detailed tutorial on my brows, so your sis will not be leaving you hanging. Please be on the lookout for that, okay? Alright, so now that the brows are pretty much kind of set the way that I like them, I'm just going to go back in with that Il Makiage concealer and just highlight this right underneath my brow bone. I then like to go in and take my finger to kind of blur out all of the like lines so nothing is like super duper harsh. And I do like this concealer because I feel like it gives me a very overall like just natural finish. I do find that it's not so full coverage, but if you want something that's lightweight and durable for the day, this is quick and easy, and it's summertime. Who wants all that stuff on their face? Going back in and just putting this right underneath my eyes. I've been trying these little TikTok hacks. Maybe I should do a full video of like different TikTok looks. Guys, let me know what you think, if I should do that down in the comment section. But yeah, I'm just taking this and kind of just putting this all over my face at the points that I feel like need a little bit more highlighting. Alright, so I end up taking this Anastasia cream contour palette, and guys, I don't think that they even sell this palette anymore, but I am someone who feels like my makeup, if I have it and I haven't finished it and it's still good, I'm going to use the heck up out of it until it's done. So I'm not going to keep wasting money, spending all this money on this makeup if I have makeup sitting in my house. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and take this and just go ahead and highlight and just contour the remainder of my face. And you see that I take it on my cheeks, my nose, and also at the top of like my hairline. And like low-key, I'm quite sad that they stopped selling this, or at least at Ulta and Sephora I can't find it at the moment. But I really enjoy this contour palette. I like the creamy consistency of it. The product normally moves, well, I shouldn't say normally, it moves very great on my face, and I can like make it buildable and more dramatic for more stage-like looks, or just keep it very natural and simple for everyday kind of looks like we're doing today. Alright, so I do like taking my setting spray and dampening it with my beauty blender. Guys, I promise you I've been doing this before this became a thing on TikTok. If you can see, I got it nice and saturated. So I'm going to go ahead and blend out this concealer. But you're going to see that I kind of let this concealer sit a little too long on my face. So it became very stiff and not movable. So I'm going to have to kind of go back in a few minutes and add a little bit more. Instead of letting it dry down on my face, I'm going to immediately go in and start blending it out. Now that I have everything blended out the way that I like it, I'm going to go in using this Morphe Brightening Pink Bacon Set translucent powder and apply this basically in all of those areas that I put concealer in earlier. A tip that I like to do when using any kind of translucent powder is to pack it onto the skin. So not to bake, but just pack it into the skin and into the pores, so I get a very nice overall finish and like luminous glowy look. I feel like it really like highlights the highest points of your face and brings back a lot of just like nuances and richness to a makeup look. Next, I'll be going in using the Too Faced Born This Way in the color Chai and just setting the rest of my face in the areas where I contour it with this powder. I feel like this is a really great color, overall color for my face, but it really just helps me pack in and set the remainder of like my contour and make it just look like just like delicioso, good. Okay, so where are all of my millennials at? If you are a millennial, leave a thumbs up and a comment down below because you know delicioso, okay? All right, so I'm going to be going in with these lashes from Eylure Pro Magnetic and also using this Maybelline mascara. And I'm just going to coat this all on the top part of my lashes and also the bottom part of my lashes, and just making sure that all of the hairs are like nicely coated before I go in using these eyelashes. Alright, so I'm going to end up taking the Eylure Pro Magnetic eyelash liner to pretty much just line the top portion of my eye. I have been finding magnetic lashes to be the freaking bomb.com. Y'all, when I tell you I suck at putting on lashes, like I am the worst person to put on lashes. But just using these magnetic lashes make my life 10 times easier. Plus, I just did a show, Jesus Christ Superstar, here in New Orleans. And when I tell you these lashes stay on where my other lashes are like sliding down my face. So Eylure, you are doing and changing the game. Thank you so much for helping us sis out. I believe you can pick these up at like a local like CVS or Walgreens, and that's where I basically got mine. I also they're also in Ulta. You can get them from Ulta too. So like I said, guys, it's super duper easy to apply these lashes. Like you just kind of put them on your face. You do one little whoop whoop whoop, make sure they're in a good position, and then you can just literally move on with your life. Alright, so now I am taking the Revolution Skin Finish in the color Golden Glare and just putting this all over the areas that I feel needed, which is obviously my cheekbones, and I like to also take it onto my nose and also a little bit at the bridge. And of course, we always got to do the upper lip, which is, I believe, the Cupid's bow. Just to highlight. I find that this is such a nice like subtle shade to put on, and especially like if you want to catch the light, like oh my goodness, I just live for this bit of shimmer. I just think it's just super cute. Another beauty trick you can do is take your golden highlighter or whatever highlighter you're using and just pop that into your eyes. It really makes it look like you did a lot to your makeup when literally you just took 5 seconds and just dusted it over. People think I do a lot when I really just do the bare minimum. And give me 1 second so I can give you the final look. Alright guys, so here's the final look. I just added a little bit of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Ashton onto my lips and then went back in and set my face. If you guys are enjoying this kind of content from me, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Kudziology. Love you guys and see you in the next video.